you don't want to give them too much budget. But if you also don't give budget to DPWH, one of our biggest department, magko-contract yung economy. Back to this. Ang problema kasi doon sa BICAM nakita ko is, naging zarzuela, nagka-grandstanding, nagmamagaling, nagmamaganda. It doesn't look like it's
Meron
done by
pa
adults.
nga senator, no? Senator Amy Marcos, tinatanong ba't ang laki ng budget ng DepEd? Hindi naman sa BICAM pinag-uusapan yun, dapat sa committee.
Correct.
No?
Ba't doon niya epal
nag-e-epal diba?
Palaing, as we say in Ilocano. Palaing.
So, yung mga ganun ba, wag mo lang gamitin yung BICAM. Dahil, syempre, dahil open na siya, transparent, ang dami nag-e-epal.
Yeah.
Ang dami nag-grandstanding na hindi naman kailangan. No? Tapos, ang daming break na mahaba. No, ba't mo pa ginawang kwan? Ba't mo pa ginawang open at saka transparent? Ang dami naman pala mga break na hindi mo alam pinag-uusapan.
Doon
Parang
pala
ICI.
yun pala yung totoong meetings.
Parang
yung sa
ICI,
break.
halos karamihan ng investigation nila ay
Executive.
executive session, no? Ito naman mga to, di ba?
Parang yung sir, multifaceted communication, stratified, ang dating na sir.
Ang tingin naman sa atin, sobrang idiots.
Ayan.
Hindi naman tayo ganun katalino,
Hindi naman.
pero hindi naman tayo ganun ka-idiots.
Oo.
No?
Wala pa naman tayo masters of law para makapag-comment.
Walang doctorate.
Para maging SMNI analyst or money gallery. But going back to this, dun sa BICAM issue, like, okay, let's go to Vince Dizon. Yes, there's a leaky bucket, obviously. You don't want to put a lot of water in a leaky bucket. Ibig sabihin, yung DPWH, ang daming scandal, ang daming corruption, ang daming mga scalawags. You don't want to give them too much budget. But if you also don't give budget to DPWH, one of our biggest department, magko-contract yung economy kasi yung government spending, yung G dun sa GDP, ay napakalaki yung government spending. If walang mangyari dyan, you will lose trillions in foregone productivity.
Yes.
Lalala itong GDP growth rate slowdown natin eh. So how do you balance that?
Yes, tama ka. Dahil mahalaga na ipagpatuloy itong paglilinis ng ating mga burokrasya. Especially itong second biggest department, yung DPWH. Pero dapat din maunawaan natin na yung ating economy ay umaandar primarily dahil sa remittances ng ating OFW at saka dahil sa government spending.
Yeah. Which creates multiplier effect. Just to explain to people,
consumption,
macroeconomics yan. So kung
yeah.
gagastos ang gobyerno ng isang proyekto, yung bayad nila dun sa isang trabahador or contractor gagastos din ng contractor, tapos yung pera na yun gagastos na ulit. So magkakaroon ng multiplier effect yan. Diba?
Sabi nga nung isang cabinet secretary na kausap ko, 800 billion yung nakatenga. Yung hindi gumagalaw,
That's
no?
a lot.
800 billion. No?
So
Malaki
that's
yun.
potentially up to 1.6 trillion foregone if you put a multiplier effect of 1.5 to 2, diba? Which is what I've seen.